Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? Yesterday I did one facial which was very good, and I feel that my face has become more clean and clearer. I've just taken a shower, and only I've applied is only the lipstick over here. If you would like to see that channel and that video, I'll tag it in my description box. And friends, I've changed my nail color here, and this is my new nail color for 2 or 3 days again. So friends, today I'll be showing you a very good recipe, and everybody loves it. I had made this recipe even with chicken, but I think my camera was not done right, and it was only showing my top of my body, but they could not see the food which I was cooking. So again, I'm making puff pastries, and Delcia, this video is for you, dear. Hope you like it, and now it will be more clearer, and this time it's more healthier. I've done with the broccoli and carrots, and puff pastry with the broccoli and carrots, a very good vegetable. Yesterday when we ate, we all had a good time. We didn't have to make any dinner. This was our early dinner and snack too. So Delcia, you can make this with many things actually, with paneer, with other vegetables. You can add your apple pies and make it a dessert. But I prefer eating some spicy food, and also here it is, puff pastries in air fryer, which was very good to do. It took me two batches I had to do. So I did the first batch and I did the second batch. So had to use it 2 times. So I hope you'll enjoy. And here's the recipe, friends. So friends, I've taken a medium size onion over here. It's a little medium and a good onion. So I'm just chopping it up into small pieces. So friends, I'm taking some oil and I'm doing eyeballing here. It's like 4 or 5 spoons of oil. So I'm adding some cumin seeds here. I'm adding some onions over here, the whole onion. And 3 garlic pods also. I'll be chopping it roughly. So now we'll try to fry it a little bit, and then we'll add some broccoli and carrots today. It will be a nice vegetable of broccoli and carrots. So I'm washing the broccoli here. I've already chopped so that the things will become easier. These are like 2 big broccoli florets. Added even the carrots over here now. Adding some broccoli and carrots. And if this vegetable is left out, I'll do another left out and a new dish with the left out vegetables if we are left out with this broccoli and carrots. Now I'm adding some asafoetida, some red chili powder, some salt, my favorite turmeric. Now I'll mix these vegetables well, and I'll try to cover up, and I'll try to make this vegetable get cooked in its own steam now, because it will release its own water now. Now I'll be covering up and keeping it for 20 minutes at least, and I'll reduce the heat to medium. So here is medium. I've taken the whole packet, and there are 2 sheets in this. So we'll use the 2 sheets, and I have made broccoli and carrots vegetable which I'll be stuffing with. So here I've taken the 2 sheets. I'll be unwrapping all this. I think this has to go here now. So I'll just open this up too. Yes, I thrash it. Okay, so here I'm cutting it into 3 lines. And with this we can make 2 each. So in this sheet I already got off 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 comes in one sheet. Here we had baked broccoli and carrots vegetable, which I showed you on the previous when I was cooking. So now I'm left out with this broccoli and carrots, and the combination is really good. So I'll just add little. So we'll just squeeze it and make it good, and we'll try to do it with this only. We'll just stretch a little and we'll try to cover it out. We'll cover it up from both the sides, from all 4 sides actually. From here, oh something, my vegetable is popping out. So I'd made before also with cauliflower. I'll put that video also. So this is it. So friends, here I'm just covering up. You can also just cover it up. Actually less filling is better. I had put off so much on this one. It leaked out little outside, so we are putting less stuffing. And you can do this with chicken, with broccoli, with beef, with meat, with shrimp if your family likes. I don't eat much of meat and shrimp and all. You can do it with fish also. See, I've already made 4. So friends, here I've taken the air fryer. Today I'll be trying it out in the air fryer. I'm putting a parchment paper. Actually parchment paper is not required, but I still wanted it to be less clumsy. Actually I don't have eggs, otherwise I would have done the egg wash. Now I'll place them one by one. Let's see how many times I think I'll have to do 2 times. So here goes 3rd one. Here goes the 4th one. Here goes the 5th one. We'll try to just put all the 6 and we'll try to put it in the air fryer. Yeah, so I'm closing the air fryer now. And I'll put it to move this up for 15 minutes. So I'll put the temperature to 300 and 230 or 280 we'll put. Yeah, 280 is good. So here it got cooked well. So this is how they came out, so yum and nice. So the puff pastries got cooked so well. Here they look so yum. The first bite, it's so hot and yum. So friends, I hope you liked it and enjoyed, because my family enjoyed eating this puff pastries only for dinner and a snack. I didn't have to cook dinner actually, so it was very yum. You can eat this with ketchup. I just took some almond dip which I get from Costco. So try it out friends and share your pictures with me on Instagram or Facebook. Message me. Okay friends, if you have liked it, like, share, subscribe and comment. Okay, bye for now. Love you all.